Hello, and welcome back to English Audio, the place to improve your English just by listening. Today, we have a very powerful quote about success. It is about what to do when people doubt you. The quote is from a successful businesswoman named Michelle Ruiz. She said, "If people doubt how far you can go so far you can't hear them anymore." Let's say that one more time. If people doubt how far you can go so far you can't hear them anymore. What does this mean? Let's break it down. Section 1. The problem. People doubt you. What does to doubt mean? To doubt means people do not believe in you. They say, you cannot do it. They say, you are not smart enough. They say, you are not talented enough. They say, you will fail. This is doubt. It is negative energy. It is noise. This noise is a big problem. Why? Because it can stop you. This noise makes you feel weak. It makes you feel sad. It makes you feel angry. And it makes you doubt yourself. You start to think, maybe they are right. Maybe I cannot do it. Maybe I should just quit. This is the danger of doubt. Section 2. The solution. Go so far. So what is the answer to this problem? What do you do? Do you argue with them? Do you fight? Do you say, no, you are wrong, I can do it? Michelle Ruiz says, no. Do not argue. Do not fight. That is a waste of energy. That is a waste of time. She gives a different solution. She says, go so far. What does go so far mean? It means focus on your work. It means keep going. It means take action. Let them talk. You work. Let them doubt. You build. Let them make noise. You make progress. This is a very powerful idea. Your action is your answer. Your success is your answer. Now let's look at the second part. You can't hear them anymore. What does this mean? It means two things. First, you are too busy. You are so focused on your goal. You are working so hard. You do not have time to listen to their negative words. Their noise becomes quiet. Your work is loud. Second, you are too far away. You are on a different level. You have achieved your goal. You have succeeded. You are at the finish line. They are still at the start. You are so far ahead. You cannot hear them. Your success makes them silent. This is the best way to answer doubt. Do not fight with words. Win with actions. Section 3. A simple story. Let me tell you a simple story. It is about a runner named Alex. Alex had a big goal. He wanted to run a marathon. A marathon is very long. It is 42 kilometers. Alex told his friends. His friends laughed. This is the doubt. They said, you, Alex? You cannot run 1 kilometer. You are too slow. You will quit. This noise made Alex feel bad. He felt sad. He felt doubt in his own heart. What did Alex do? Did he argue? No. He did not waste his energy. He just started to go. The next morning, it was 5 a.m. His friends were sleeping. The doubters were quiet. Alex put on his shoes. He went outside. He ran just 1 kilometer. It was very hard. But he did it. He took 1 step. He was going far. He did this every day. 1 kilometer. Then 2. Then 5. On Saturday, his friends were at a party. Where was Alex? He was running 10 kilometers. He was focused. He did not hear them. 6 months passed. Alex was now running 30 kilometers. His friends saw him. They were very quiet. The doubt was gone. They started to believe. Finally, it was marathon day. Alex ran. He was slow, but he was strong. He crossed the finish line. He did it. He achieved his goal. He was so far from the man on the sofa. He was so far that the doubts of his friends were just a quiet, distant noise. He could not hear them anymore. His success was louder than their doubt. Section 4. This is your story. This story is about Alex, but it is also about you. Your marathon is learning English. It is a long journey. It is difficult. And you will have doubters. Maybe other people say, "Your pronunciation is bad. Why are you learning English? It is too hard. You will never be fluent." Maybe the doubter is in your own head. Sometimes you are the doubter. You tell yourself, "I am too slow. My grammar is bad. I should quit." This is all noise. It is all doubt. So what do? You remember the quote, "Do not argue. Just go so far." How do you go far in English? You take one small step. While the doubters are watching TV, you learn 5 new words. You are going far. While they are playing video games, you listen to one audio story, like this one. You are going far. While they are sleeping, you practice writing for 10 minutes. You are going far. You do not argue with them. You do not complain. You just work. You focus on your journey. You focus on your progress. You are going so far. And one day, you will be in a conversation. You will speak English. You will understand. You will laugh. You will make a joke. And the doubters will be silent. Your fluency will be the answer. You will be too far to hear them. Section 5. How you can go so far. Here are 3 simple steps for you. Step 1. Hear the doubt. Do not listen. People will doubt you. This is a fact. You will hear the noise. Your English is not good. Just hear it. Say, "Okay, I hear you." But do not listen to it. Do not let it in your heart. It is just noise. It is not the truth. Step 2. Do not argue. Just work. This is the most important step. Do not waste your energy arguing. Do not say, "I can do it." Do not fight with them. It is a waste of time. Save your energy. Use your energy for the work. Your work is your answer. Your action is your answer. Step 3. Take one small step today. Going far starts with one step. Your goal is not be fluent. That is too big. Your goal is learn 5 new words. That is a small step. Your goal is listen to one audio. That is a small step. Your goal is say one sentence. That is a small step. You must do this every day. One small step, then another, then another. These steps add up. This is how you go far. This is how you build success. This is how you make the doubters get quiet. You do it with your work, not with your words. Section 6. Conclusion. So let's remember the quote one last time. If people doubt how far you can go, this is a lesson for your life. And it is a perfect lesson for learning English. There will always be doubt. There will always be noise. Let it be there. Do not fight it. Just pick up your tools. Focus on your work. Learn your one word. Listen to your one audio. Take your one small step. Just keep going far. And soon you will be so far. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.